All right, what we got here, Bobby?
All right, we are out here with the 60 size Patriot, man. It's a really nice airplane. Picked this one up from a swap meet, actually, and gonna take this up and do a maiden flight on it, man. It's got a 75AX, a two-stroke nitro engine in there. Sometimes you got to make some noise, man. So we're gonna take it up. It's kind of windy today, but we're gonna take it up and see how it does.
All right, let's do it.
All right, here we go. Because it's super windy. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Taking off. Oh man, it's windy too. Here we go. Nice. Let's have throttle. Man, it's punching right through the wing, guys.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna keep it up a little high. You can't trust those nitro engines right off the bat, not like an electric, but it's running nice. Headwind slowing it down. But you can see it's rock steady in there.
Yep, looks good.
Full throttle pass. Oh, she's cooking.
Oh yeah.
Man, that's fast. Oh, we're gonna bring it by so you guys can see it. That's actually really nice, man. That's a lot of fun. Come back around. Whew. She's cooking.
Yeah, with the wind, boy, she moved.
They got away from me on that one.
Yeah.
Coming back around.
Oh, there he is, all the way up there. I missed that whole loop.
Yeah, that thing's running really nice. It's a pretty quick airplane. Like I said, it's a nice prop jet. You don't get to see those a lot. So when you do, it's always kind of nice to see it. But you can see how nice that thing's cutting right along. Flies just like a regular prop plane, except faster.
Got the echo.
Isn't that cool? Man, sometimes you just gotta get the nitro planes out. You gotta enjoy them. Nice and smooth in the turns. Give it a little bit more aileron authority.
Definitely don't see you when you go up there in them clouds.
Oh, that gray, yeah.
Yeah.
The noise helps you track it. I mean, she's cooking right along.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna settle for a landing. Now we're gonna do a fast landing because of the way the wind's going, no flaps. But these things tend to settle down really nicely, so let's see. Coming in. That big flat wing, it should be pretty nice, pretty decent. And there it is.
Smooth.
Nice. Man, that's cool. It's a nice little throwback, you know? You don't really get to see too many of these airplanes like that, so it's nice to have a nice little nitro 60 size there, Patriot.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put that up against the e-flite F-16, man.
Fast, man. There you go. So there you go, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate you come checking this one out, and we'll have to get some more flights into this thing, man. What do y'all think?
Definitely. It's pretty cool, man. Might have to look at one.
Hey, I think like fast. So this is a good alternative. I know it's not electric, but you know, a little throwback action going on there. So there you go. Appreciate it, guys.
All right. Up and away. Let's do it.
And she's happy. I had it too lean. That thing flies really nice, man. It's like goes where you point it. You got the radar gun?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Oh, you're fine. Make sure it's not gonna cut off on me. She's dialed in pretty nice.
When you ready, which way you coming from? Right or left?
I'm gonna come this way. Actually, I'll come this way down the line.
Speed trial.
With the wind behind us. Here we go.
Nice.
96 miles an hour. All right.
Sounds great.
96. All right, we're gonna be coming this way. You ready? Coming down the line. .108. 108 miles an hour. All right.
Nice. 108.
That is a quick bird. We'll do it again. This way. Slight. Coming in. Slight dive. 95 miles an hour.
Consistent.
And that's against the wind.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna come in. A little steep dive. Here we go. Too high. All right. Let's see here.
Trust me, I ain't gonna get in the way.
I was getting ready to say. All right, I'm gonna bring it straight down our line right here.
Okay.
For the steep dive. Yep. Just a little gurgly up there.
Yeah.
That's all right. All right, here we go.
Lined up.
All right, here we go. Full throttle.
Okay, straight down.
117 miles an hour.
117 out of that bird.
There you go.
Whoa,
So,
look at here.
it's a really nice spurt.
Yeah.
Let's see what its flat and level is. Let's get flat and level. See, it's nice actually doing a nitro plane with the speed trial because you don't have to worry about the battery. You just have to worry about fuel. And fuel is good for about, what, 5 minutes?
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna do flat and level with the headwind. Here we go. Coming flat and level. .90 miles an hour, flat and level. And that's with the tailwind.
90 miles per hour.
I mean a headwind, that was a headwind.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll come with the wind and see what it is, flat and level. And this is all full throttle, by the way. All right, here we go. What'd you get? Nothing? Okay.
Nada. Zilch. Zero.
All right, here we go.
We must try again.
I've got to be getting low on fuel.
D-plane! D-plane!
Oh!
Huh? What?
I need you to. There's a plane.
Okay, get my phone out of my pocket.
Here we go.
But yours doesn't have that zoom.
What'd you get? All right. Well, that's it.
Couldn't get that.
I'm gonna bring it in for a landing.
Let's land her.
What, 90 against the wind? That's
90 against the wind's pretty good. I'll take that. Not bad for a little prop plane, huh? People think prop planes aren't fast, but this one's nice. All right, here
Yep,
we go.
this one moved pretty good. Sweet.
Landed at about 20.
Landed
Butter.
at 20. Nice, nice. Man, this is a really fun airplane, man. Really fun. I'm actually glad I got it. Definitely not one to fly on the cloudy days because it kind of blends in, but
Yep.
it shows out nice.
Nice.
All right, well, there you have it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Another good flight of the Patriot. So what was the top speed, 117?
117.
117 with this bird. So there you go, burning some nitro. Getting
All right.
greasy out here.
All right.
Appreciate it, TJ. Thank you, man.
No problem.